Temperatures are cooling off as we head into the next few days. You're going to notice it as we're really only topping out in the 60s today. We've got a trough of low pressure moving through a system passing to the north of us. That's going to help increase onshore flow. Bring us winds too, especially across the mountains and deserts. This is where we have a wind advisory in place across the Antelope Valley, the Apple and Lucerne Valley, as well as the mountain communities, Los Angeles County through San Bernardino County as well. So here's our satellite and radar tracker as the system moves through again, bringing us more clouds. So look for a mostly cloudy day today. We could even pick up a little bit of light rain as we head into early this evening, right around 5-6 o'clock, especially the mountain and foothill communities. Clouds stick around through the day today and into early tomorrow, and then we'll see a little better clearing as we head into Tuesday afternoon. So look for a little bit more sunshine as we head into Tuesday and into Wednesday too. So here is what is happening in the atmosphere. We're dry at least through Tuesday, Wednesday, and the clouds will start to break up. We'll see a little bit more sunshine, and then here's what we're watching as we head toward the end of the week and into next weekend. Thursday night into Friday, a storm system that looks to bring us increased rain chances and snow up in the higher elevations as well. A second system by the weekend could pack a punch as well. So we're looking at multiple rain chances as we head toward the end of the week and into the start of the weekend. LA and Orange County, temperatures in the 60s today under a mostly cloudy sky. A little bit more sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, and wind will be the story across the mountain and desert communities today, increasing this afternoon and into this evening. Valley's feeling 64 degrees today, slightly warmer Tuesday, Wednesday, with those increasing chances for rain as we head into late Thursday, Friday, Saturday, into Sunday too. So we've got rain chances for most of the weekend. Of course, we will continue to fine-tune the forecast as we get a little bit closer to that event, but otherwise look for below average temperatures this week. A cloudy sky today, increasing winds across the high desert. More sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday. Temperatures in the 50s across the high desert communities. Look for 40s today up in the mountains. 40s continue Tuesday, Wednesday, and then a chance for rain and even snow showers as we head toward the end of the week.